हम बात करेंगे क्लास +2 के डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल्स में से कुछ एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर के क्वेश्चंस की. सो आई हैव टेकन 3 ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स. सो लेट्स सी इन तीनों एग्जाम्पल्स को हम सॉल्व करेंगे आज. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज need to find out the integration and the limit is pi by 6 to pi by 2 of cos x by sin square x dx. अब इस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को देखते ही क्लैरिटी से अपने को मालूम है कि हम sin x को पुट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज उसका डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर के अंदर है. तो यही काम करेंगे हम यहां पर. पुट sin x is equal to y. So if we'll differentiate, it will become cos x dx is equal to dy. जो indefinite इंटीग्रल थे उसमें तो हम यहां तक करते थे और स्टार्ट कर लेते थे इंटीग्रेशन. बट डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल्स के केस में वी हैव टू चेंज द लिमिट्स ऑल्सो. प्लीज कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. यही छोटी सी गलती हो जाती है और वो पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाता है. सो प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. इफ x is equal to pi by 6, अगर x pi by 6 है तो sin pi by 6 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? That is 1 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2. And if x is equal to pi by 2, so y is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1. So y will come as 1. So this will become 1 by 2 to 1. And cos x dx has become dy and sin x has become y square. Now 1 by 2 to 1 y raised to the power minus 2 dy, and we know the integration of this, that will come as y raised to the power minus 1 by minus 1, and the limits are 1 to 1 by 2. We can write it as minus 1 by y 1 to 1 by 2. First of all, we'll put the value 1. That will come as, हम इस माइनस को बाहर निकाल लेते हैं. That will come as 1 minus 1 over 1 by 2 will become 2. So that has come as minus 1 minus 2. That is minus of minus 1, and your answer is 1. So बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चंस हैं. They are easy ones. लेकिन थोड़ी सी कंसंट्रेशन के साथ, बिकॉज मैथमेटिक्स रिक्वायर कंसंट्रेशन. टोटल ऑब्जर्वेशन और कंसंट्रेशन से काम करते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स टेक द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या कह रहे हैं भाई? दे वांट द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ अंडर द रूट 1 प्लस sin 2x एंड द लिमिट्स आर 0 to pi by 4 under root 1 plus sin 2x dx. अब इस स्टेटमेंट को देखते ही अपने माइंड में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं. नंबर 1, पहली चीज, sin 2x का फॉर्मूला हमें आता है, दैट इज 2 sin x cos x. अगर ये 2 sin x cos x लिखा जा सकता है तो कैन वी राइट 1 एज sin square x plus cos square x, because we know the identity. So we'll write down like this only, 0 to pi by 4 under the root. We'll convert 1 as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Now you can see this is a complete square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square. So that has come as 0 to pi by 4 under the root sin x plus cos x whole square. And now this square is cancelled with this square root. So value will come as 0 to pi by 4 and sin x plus cos x. And we know the integration of sin x as well as of cos x. What is the integration of sin x? That is cos x minus and plus sin x. So limits are 0 to pi by 4. First of all, we'll put the pi by 4 minus, then we'll put 0. So that has come as cos pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2. बाहर माइनस है तो it will come as minus 1 by root 2 plus sin pi by 4, that is also 1 by root 2. So they are cancelled. Minus cos 0 is 1, so minus 1 plus, and sin 0 is 0, minus into minus, that is also plus, and your answer is 1. So I hope these two questions are clear. Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is little lengthy, not difficult or not that much important also, but when teacher is willing to ask 6 marks or 4 mark question, so they go for the little lengthy question. So it is a little lengthy question, so please take care of this. So limits are 0 to pi by 2 dx upon a square cos square x plus b square sin square x whole square. What we'll do? We'll divide the numerator and denominator by cos 4x. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos 4x. If we'll divide, this will become only a square, this will become b square tangent square x, और ऊपर बन जाएगा आपके पास secant 4. So the limits are 0 to pi by 2 secant 4x by, it will become a square plus b square tangent square x whole square and dx. Now secant square x can be written as 1 plus tangent square x into secant square x. 0 to pi by 2, and I write 1 plus tangent square x into secant square x dx divided by a square plus b square tangent square x. Now let's put tangent x is equal to y. Put tangent x is equal to y. Tangent x को अगर हम y पुट कर लेते हैं तो it will become secant square x dx is equal to dy. And for the limit, tangent 0 is 0. When x is equal to 0, y will also be 0. And when tangent is pi by 2, tangent 90 is infinity. When x is equal to pi by 2, y will be infinity. So the limits will change. It will come 0 to infinity, and it will become 1 plus y square into dy upon a square plus b square y square, sorry, it is whole square. I hope it is clear up to this part. Now what we will do, इससे आगे देखते हैं इसको. If I multiply and divide by b square, because ये जैसा बन जाएगा, तो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को we will multiply by b square. So it will come as 1 by b square 0 to infinity. It will become b square plus b square y square, because I want to make it the same way. So ये a square plus b square y square whole square dy. बट अभी यहां पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये चीज तो सेम आ गई, लेकिन आई रिक्वायर 1 a square, so I will add 1 a square and subtract 1 a square. Okay, it is clear. Now we'll write it as 1 by b square 0 to infinity a square plus b square y square upon a square plus b square y square whole square dy plus 1 by b square 0 to infinity. these two terms we have written here. So what are left with us? B square minus A square upon A square plus B square Y square whole square dy. Now I'll treat this as I1 and this treat as I2. तो इन दोनों को अलग अलग इंटीग्रेट कर लेते हैं, I1 को और I2 को. So now let's see integration of I1. It is I1 is equal to 1 by B square, 0 to infinity, it will come as 1 by A square plus B square Y square dy. Now, can we take out B square as common? So that will become 1 by B raised to the power 4, 0 to infinity, 1 by Y square plus A by B whole square. Now, this is the formula for tangent inverse, 1 by A tangent inverse x by A. So 1 by B raised to the power 4 into 1 by A upon B tangent inverse x by A upon B, and the limits are 0 to infinity. So that has come as 1 by B raised to the power 4 B by A. If I put the limit as infinity, tangent inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tangent inverse 0 is 0. So that has come as 1 by A B cube into pi by 2. So your I1 is solved. I'll just erase this. I'll just keep the value of I1 with us. So I1 की value रख लेते हैं यहाँ पर. That has come as 1 upon A B cube into pi by 2. Now we will solve I2. So I2 को solve करते हैं and then we'll add both and that will be your answer. So I2 is equal to 1 by B square 0 to infinity B square minus A square upon A square plus B square Y square whole square and dy. अब यहां पे हम ये आपको याद रखने की जरूरत पड़ेगी कि इस स्टेप में हमने क्या किया था. पुट by is equal to tangent A tangent theta because I want to make it A. So by को हमने पुट किया है A tangent theta. So this will be B dy will be equal to A secant square theta d theta. Means dy will become as A by B secant square theta d theta. Now we can take out this common and let's move again. How to change the limits? If y is 0, tangent is also 0. If y is infinity, tangent is C infinity. So theta will be pi by 2. So limit has changed again. B square minus A square by B square. Limit has again changed 0 to pi by 2. And this dy has become A by B secant square theta d theta. And this has become as A square plus by is A tangent theta, so it is A square tangent square theta whole square. Now we can take out common as A raised to the power 4. So this has come B square minus A square into A by B square into A raised to the power 4, and the limit is 0 to pi by 2. At the numerator part it is secant square theta, and at the denominator part it will become 1 plus tangent square theta whole square d theta. Now this it will become B square minus A square by B cube A cube multiplied by 0 to pi by 2 secant square theta, and we know that 1 plus tangent square theta is again secant square theta whole square, that is secant 4 theta d theta. 1 secant square is cancelled. 1 by secant square means cos square. So this has come as b square minus a square by a cube b cube, and 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. And now we know the formula of cos square theta. It is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So that has come b square minus a square upon a cube b cube, 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. And we know the integral of both these terms. It has come as b square minus a square by 2 a cube b cube. Integral of one is theta plus integral of cos theta is sine 2 theta by 2, and the limit is 0 to pi by 2. First of all, we'll put the value pi by 2. It will come as pi by 2. This will become sine pi. Sine pi is 0. So this will become 0, and in the next step 0 plus 0. So it will come as b square minus a square by 2 a cube b cube pi by 2. Now this is your I2, and the answer is I1 plus I2. So I will add it as plus b square minus a square by 2a cube b cube into pi by 2. So your LCM has come as 4a cube b cube. Now we will divide it. It will come as 2a square plus b square minus a square into pi by 2. 1a square is cancelled. So your answer is a square plus b square by 4a cube b cube multiplied with pi by 2. So now you can see the question was not difficult, but it is little lengthy. So please, you have to practice these questions, and still if you find any kind of difficulty in any questions, please do comment me. Thank you very much.